Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show making of this amazing design. So let's quickly start with the markings. This is how we have to give the marking. It's just the curves with the stem work. And for the designing I'd be using silver color glass pipes of small size. On the stem work I'd be working with this glass pipes. Insert 4 to 5 at a time, hold it firmly and give an invisible stitches on it like this. The stem work will be carried with this small silver pipes. This is how the stems, also the branches, has to be done, giving an invisible stitches. And once completed, this is how it looks. Now I'd be doing the flower work using the white color sequins, also with the anchor thread of pink color. This is of 6 strands. This is to create the small tiny flowers like this. You don't believe that this design is so simple that we can try this on your old blouses to convert into new designer blouses, or else you can also try this for the designing on the plain suits. These are uniquely designed patterns which are very expensive in the markets. In every video I'd be repeating the same, that if you know how to do it, we can try this type of designs uniquely, like creating the borders or else designing of blouses, anything, garments designing, but the method we must know how to do it. So that is what I want to convey to you all. I hope you will also like the sharing of this idea. We have to create these tiny flowers at the ends with the 5 petals using the sequins and the anchor thread. Now some of them I left, so on that one I'd be working with the pearls. This is of semicircle pearls, so I'd be stitching at these tips. Now in the center of the flower I'd be giving the French knot using the yellow color anchor thread of 6 strands. This is how on each and every flower we have to give the center work with the French knot. The materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy or the tailoring material shops, or else the links has been provided in the description box for your convenience. Most of them were requesting to give the links so that they can buy online. I have given everything in the description box, kindly check it. That's it friends, we are done with this design. This is how it looks once completed. As I said in the beginning of the video only, this designing is so simple, will really look creative and gives the very stylish and rich look once you wear it. This is how it looks. I hope sharing of this idea is this video on. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon.